Northwest winds 15 to 20. The National Weather Service in Sioux Falls has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Nobles County in southwestern Minnesota until 4:15 p.m. At 4:02 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Worthington, moving north at 25 miles an hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of northeastern Nobles County. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. for the following county: Nobles, Minnesota.